Ready to ditch those boring default browser tab icons and inject some serious personality and branding into your Chrome tabs? First, you'll need a simple HTML file. Go ahead and open up your favorite code editor inside the head section of your HTML document. We're going to add a link element. This is the magic that tells the browser what image to use for the tab icon, also known as a favicon. Within that link tag, add the attribute rel equals icon. This specifies the relationship between the linked resource and the current document. Next, add type equals image, PNG, or use image, JPEG, or image, GIF depending on your image format. Now, the most important part, the ref attribute. This is where you'll put the path to your image file. Make sure your image file is accessible within your project directory. You can use a relative path, like images mylookup, if the image is in a subfolder, or an absolute URL if the image is hosted online. Just ensure the path accurately points to your image. Save your HTML file, open it in Chrome, and voila! Your custom image should now be proudly displayed on your browser tab. This small change can make a big difference in user experience and brand recognition. And that's it. Short, sweet, and impactful. Give this video a like if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more web development tips and tricks.